Hi, this is a spiritual crystal card reading for Taurus. So, Taurus, sorry, was set in Greek, Taurus. So, let's see what is the main energy for you this month. Yupa, this is already falling on its own. Here you are with Opal. So, your main energy for this month actually is mirror. Is a mirror on people or situations will come to you who will mirror something you need to acknowledge, something you need to do. Let's see, because that's the mainstream. Okay, so you will have the mirror effect this month. So let's see, what is for the first week of December? First week of December is Rodonite. Rodonite, what means changing, something will change for you. Let's go on, let's see what's going to change. So it's on the heart level, something is changing. So let's see for the second week. Second week is copper. So this means something has to heal. I go on and then we go again into detail. Something has to heal. Third week of December is here you have a snowflake obsidian. So you will be confronted with something that produces anger. Something will produce anger into you, and this has to be healed. You know, it is something that is there, and it has to go, because this is an opportunity. I always say that this. When the opal is coming, it's a great opportunity, because it is actually showing you something that you haven't been aware of. And there is no light if we are not cleaning ourselves. There is light, but that's not what I mean. I mean, we are becoming this, more we are cleaning our lower energies around us, our luggage that we are carrying with us, more we are letting it go, the more we can become this light in us, the more we can become the pure being. Because we are all these pure lights, but we are in the shadow of all these layers of emotions, of past, of situations, and they are all not allowing. It's like a shell at the end. We are in a shell of negative emotions, and it doesn't allow us to be in contact with our true self. So if we are, all of us here on earth, not aware and not allowed to be in contact with our true self, it will never change. Nothing will ever change. So, but the vibrations, they are changing. The energies are becoming higher and higher. So they give you the opportunity to go with the stream and to clean them. So have a look. Have a look, what is this anger? Because it has to go. It is something that you have to work on. Let's see, what's about the fourth week? Fourth week of December. This is silver. Silver is very feminine, is very sensitive, is also creative. It's the creative side of the brain, it's the sensitivity, it's the female side as well. It's souplesse, because silver, pure silver, is very, very soft. And look at this, because it's not, here you also have copper, but copper is also very soft metal. It's also very easy to work with. So what this is actually saying to us, I think you have to acknowledge maybe your soft side, your soft side, your female side, your sensitivity, your intuition. Maybe you have to start to work with this. Maybe this is a changings are happening, and they are forcing you to acknowledge this side of you that maybe till now you haven't acknowledged. And this actually is something that has to do with healing. So it can produce anger. Why does it produce anger? Because maybe you are used to be the person who has everything in control, The person who knows exactly what's going to happen tomorrow? Or maybe the person who doesn't want anything to change? And these changes, you cannot stop the changements to happen anymore. Because it is changing. Everything is changing. Nothing is holding anymore. The past is going. So, or you swim with the flow. There is no or. You have to start to swim. You have to start to swim with it. You have to start to let loose. You have to start to let it go. And this may be a process that is actually producing frustration to you. It may be that you are forced to acknowledge this process through somebody. Somebody is producing some kind of a vibration, or some is a situation that you are forced to change. And you don't like to change, you don't want to change. But the copper is coming, the metal here is saying, heal this. Allow the changements to happen. Go with the flow. Allow yourself. Release. Let go. Let go of this shell of I don't know how many layers that you have been holding through all these years. Let it go. It's time to release now. It's time to let go. Let's see if there is any special message. Something that more you need to know. It's time to meditate. For you, it's really time. It's time. You have here, look, you have lapis lazuli. I can't talk anymore. Lapis lazuli. So you have lapis lazuli here. So this means retreat. Give yourself this present. Go one step back and retreat and think about the whole situation. Think about how are you reacting on changements. Why are you afraid maybe, or why does it make you angry, these changements? Are you maybe afraid about disease? Is there something about somebody in the family who has something and it triggers to you an anger because things are changing because of this? So go and find out. Use the opportunity. Use the opportunity, what is given this month to you, to acknowledge this and to free yourself. So see if there is something in your surrounding that has to do with healing, with illness, that puts you into the situation that you have to change your whole plan. And this is producing anger. So go and release this anger. Find a more flexible way of handling this. Because that's the fourth week. Find your flexibility. And all this special message is with the lapis. Meditate on this. This is very important for you. I think to this month you have given the opportunity to learn about flexibility. So if you want it, you can take it. I think it's worth it because it is a very positive thing to have, is to be flexible, because like this you are easy going with the stream and it's not so heavy when you have to change. So it may make your life more easier. So if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer them. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And thank you for watching.